Wondering how to check your Samsung phone battery health? You are in the right place. In this quick guide, I will show you the easiest way to see your battery condition, understand what the result mean, and keep your phone running smoothly for longer. Let's get started. Start by unlocking your phone. Once your phone is unlocked, simply swipe the home screen to open the app door. You can scroll right or left to find the Samsung Members app, or you can easily find it to use the search bar at the top or bottom. Then search for Member app. Once you found the Samsung Members app, tap to open it. After the app is open, you can see various options. Tap on the diagnostic option in the screen. Within the menu, tap on the Phone Diagnostics section. Here you can see all of diagnostic options available there, but you can scroll down, find the battery status option, tap on them. In the menu, you can tap on Test Again. Check your phone battery health. You can see here three choices such as good, normal or bad. This time my phone status show as normal. And that's it, you have easily successfully checked your battery health. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider to subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.